So as a child, that was fun to us.
What did y'all do to the cat?
We just used to take the cat and spin it around in circles. Real, like take it, spin around in circles, spin around, spin around. Because the thing was a cat had 9 lives. So we was trying to see if a cat had 9 lives.
Wow.
So we would, as a kid, we would take the cat, and we ain't had no leash or nothing. So I would probably like steal one of my grandmama's phone cords, or like find a long cord or something in somebody's house and steal it. And then we go find the cat. The cat used to scratch. Some of we used to take, man, you gotta get it, hold it, bro, hold it. We'd be 4, 5 deep trying to catch a fucking cat. Then we tie that motherfucking phone cord around that bitch neck. That bitch down there choking around the project. We walking around like a dog. Then we'll take him, man, it's my go. We'll take him, spin around in a circle. Let his ass go. His ass hit the ground. That bitch get the move.